we're going to give you a little test drive of growth maps so you can see it in action. Every analysis you want to conduct really comes down to 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to type in the address or zip code and render the default data map that instantly displays the growth rate by zip code. Now you can change your search radius. You can also change the boundary level. Then you can select the forecast, which has a back-tested accuracy of plus or 2%. You can select the variables or combinations of weighted variables that are most important to you and your clients, and growth maps will instantly filter the data to show you the top local markets. Step 2. Once it filters the data, then you simply click on a color or submarket. The quick graph shows the last 12 months growth rate. Step 3. Generate your own custom report. Imagine having all this growth data at your fingertips and available in real time. That's powerful, and that's the power of growth maps.